Hi, today looking at the PAT paper in 2008, going through question 8. So question 8 gives us 2 points and tells us they're opposite ends of the diameter of a circle and asks us to determine the equation of the circle. So I've given it a very quick sketch here. So we have a circle and we have the diameter across through some centre point. And we know that these 2 points, 5, 2 and minus 3, 8, are points on the end of this diameter. Now what do they tell us? Well, what do we need to find the equation of a circle? We need to find the equation of the the coordinates of the centre, and we need to find its radius, and then we have a definition of a circle. So what is the position of the centre? Well, we notice that the radius is half of the diameter, as we know, and the radius is the distance from the centre to the edge. So if we can find the point that lies exactly halfway between these 2 points, we'll have found the point that lies at the centre. So what is that point? Well, it's the difference of the x, so it's 5 minus 3 over 2, and then in the y, so 8 plus 2 over 2. That's equal to 1, 5. If it's not clear where that came from, if I quickly sketch that over here. So we have at some point minus 3, 8 here, and we have at 5, 2 somewhere here. Well, clearly we're going to go across by 1, 2, so that's minus 3, that's minus 2, that's minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going across halfway, we have to go across to 1, 2, 3, 4 to 1, and then similarly in the y direction. So that gives us our midpoint. Okay, so that's our centre. So what about the radius? Well, the distance between them is the diameter. So clearly half that distance is giving the radius. So what is the distance between them? So if we just sketch on a right-angled triangle like that, well, we have Pythagoras' theorem. So we know that this side length here is of length 8. And we know that this side length here is of length 6. 6. That comes from the fact that we're moving across by 8 to get from 5 to minus 3 and up by 6 to get from 2 to 8. So our distance, we'll call it d. By Pythagoras' theorem, d squared is equal to 8 squared plus 6 squared. And we notice that's Pythagorean triple. And therefore, d is equal to 10. And, well, if that wasn't obvious to you, we know 3, 4, 5 is Pythagorean triple. 6 is 2 times 3, 8 is 2 times 4. So that means d is going to be 2 times 5. But if we want to work out directly, that's going to be equal to 36 plus 64, which is 100, and therefore d equals 10, as we know. Okay, so therefore our radius is of size 5. And therefore we have our equation. So we have x minus the x coordinate, all squared, plus y minus the y coordinate, all squared, equals to the radius squared. And that's the equation